everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix annoying notifications in Windows 11. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Once you're inside Settings, go to System, then click on Notifications. Now at the top, you'll see a main toggle for notifications. If you want to completely stop all pop-ups, just turn this off. So that's the fastest solution. But if you still want important alerts, here's a better option. So scroll down to the section called Notifications from apps and other senders. So you'll see a list of apps that can send notifications. Find the ones that keep bothering you, like your browser or random apps, and simply switch them off. For example, Google Chrome. So I just switch it off just like that. If you want more control, click on any app in the list. For example, VPN. Here you can turn off notification banners, which are the pop ups on your screen, while still keeping notifications safe in your notification center. You can also disable sounds if they're annoying. Next, scroll down further and look for extra options. So, turn off anything like tips, suggestions, or welcome experiences. These are often the reason for random pop ups from Windows itself. And here's a bonus tip: if you only want to silence notifications temporarily, go back to the system and click on Focus Assist or Focus. Now set it to priority only or alarms only. So this is perfect when you're working, studying, or gaming. And that's it. In just a few steps, you can stop those annoying Windows 11 notifications and take back control of your screen. Thank you for watching.